Another business week has started. A very good evening to you. My name is Nanikia Mensah Brampa. Let's do some business now on News 360. The Natural Resource Governance Institute, a Ghanaian think tank, is demanding an independent audit of the estimated cost of repairing the damaged FPSO Kwame Nkrumah's turret bearing. Now, the Jubilee partners estimate the cost of repair to be $345 million. Now, Deputy Director of the Institute, Emmanuel Kuyole, said such an audit will endanger trust among partners.
In March 2016, the lead operator of the Jubilee field, Talo, confirmed the FPSO Kwame Nkrumah's turret bearing was damaged, prolonging a planned shutdown of the vessel beyond a month. The partners recently decided to opt for a temporary anchoring of the FPSO instead of two tugboats holding the vessel still. The Jubilee partners, led by Talo, have estimated the cost of fixing the turret at about $345 million. But Emmanuel Kuyole, speaking on the sidelines of an oil, gas and mining governance capacity building program, said the amount should be independently verified.
The government, through the GMPC, knowing exactly what the cost of fixing this FPSO is, because that cost is being borne largely by the partners. They'll pass it on to the project. That cost is also going to lower the amount of money Ghana gets.
According to Emmanuel Kuyole, the capacity building program is expected to raise awareness of stakeholders in the oil and gas sector to enable them to hold duty bearers accountable.
They have to be citizens who have the capacity and ability and understanding to oversight both the rules and the institutions who are implementing these rules.
The oil, gas and mining governance capacity building program has over the last 6 years trained more than 250 resource persons from 16 African countries.
And now to the stock markets, looking at the performance over the week. Trading on the Ghana Stock Exchange ended the week lower than that of the previous week. Shares of Ecobank Transnational Incorporated, PZ Company and HFC Bank saw marginal appreciation in their share price.
Top gainers for the week were Ecobank Transnational Incorporated, appreciating 6.67% in value, PZ Company 5%, HFC 4.17%, Funmilk 2.53%, and Ecobank Ghana 0.15%. Total traded shares went down by 37.34%, following the exchange of 799,223 shares, which was valued at 1.4 million cedis, a decrease of 82% compared to last week. UT Bank recorded the highest traded shares in the week, contributing 465,500 of total traded shares, representing 58%. The bank, however, lost 28.57% of its value last week. According to analysts, the decline was due to the non-performance of the equity for some time now, causing investors who are desperate to sell at hefty discount to move out.
It lost 28.57% of its value to close the week at 5 pesos. UT was listed at 20 pesos a few years back, and so this means that in real terms, those who have invested in UT have really made some losses on their investments, unrealized as this is. Hopefully, there will be a turnaround that will begin to bring some hope to investors in the UT Bank.
Losers for the week were Aluex minus 7.14%, Goyle minus 6.77%, SIC minus 5.88%, and Calbank minus 3.41%.
All right, and now away from the stock markets, let's move on to the commodity markets. And you would see me smiling, reason being that anytime there's a confrontation on the oil price market, the prices decide to appreciate. Well, the price of oil jumped after Russia and Saudi Arabia agreed to discuss ways to stabilize the oil markets. We had it hovering around $46 and some 59 cents a barrel over the weekend as Business Week Friday. But today, oil price a barrel is standing at $47.85 there on the world market. And definitely, I'm sure we are feeling that here back home, looking at the price of fuel on the market, even though we've not had it on transportation, as the Transports Association says that there wouldn't be any impact. And so that is what the market looks like. We wouldn't go too much here on the market. But let's move away from the commodities, talking about oil now to gold. Gold hasn't seen too much activity as investor confidence there has remained the same and unchanged. So that is what the commodities would look like. We'll give you more updates on the other commodities in our subsequent bulletins. But wrapping it up on business tonight, looking at the forex market as well as the interbank market, we've had the cedi to the other major trading currencies remaining stable, especially for the cedi to that of the dollar there on the world market, standing at 3 Ghana cedis, 94 pesos for some time now. How would this stability impact on exporters, traders, as well as importers? We'll be giving you more information to that. But for the cedi to the dollar on the forex market, we have it at 3 Ghana cedi, 90 pesos. If you decide to visit the forex market, that is the rate you get the cedi, and it is also selling at 4 Ghana cedis and 05 pesos there on the forex markets. For the interbank market, the cedi to that of the pound is 5 Ghana cedis, 25 pesos, and it's selling at 5 Ghana cedis, 25 pesos. Take note, that is the interbank market figure. And on the forex market, it's 5 Ghana cedi, 50 pesos. The cedi to the euro on the forex market is 4 Ghana cedi, 20 pesos. So I'm sure if you have any dollars, pound, as well as euro to change, those are the figures. That will do for business.